In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk send e-signature requests in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know how to send the same agreement to many people at once, each with their own private link and their own copy to sign. First, head to adobe.com and sign into your account, then open Acrobat Sign. From the home dashboard, choose Request e-signatures and look for the bulk send option. Depending on your plan, this may also be labeled Mega Sign. It's the feature that lets you distribute one document to a large list without creating each request manually. Next, upload the PDF or agreement you want everyone to sign. Make sure it's the final version, since every recipient will get exactly what you upload here. When it's ready, click Next to move on. Now it's time to add your recipients. You have two main ways to do this. The best method for large lists is to use a CSV file. Download Adobe's CSV template right from the interface, so your column headers match what the system expects. Fill in recipient emails and add names if your template includes a name column. Keep the headers unchanged, avoid extra spaces, and put one person per row. Then upload the CSV. If you only have a few people, you can paste their email addresses manually separated by commas. Either way, double-check spelling and domains to reduce bounces and delays. With recipients loaded, place your fields on the document. Add a signature field where you want each person to sign, a date field if you need a signing date captured, and any other required fields such as initials or text inputs. You only place these once on the template. Acrobat Sign applies the same layout to every recipient's individual copy. Use the on-screen guides to align fields neatly and mark fields as required wherever completion is mandatory. Before sending, review the details. Add a clear subject line that explains what the document is, and write a concise message that tells recipients why they're receiving it and what action you need from them. When everything looks right, click Send. Acrobat Sign now creates separate private agreements for each person. Each recipient receives their own email, their own unique signing link, and their own individual agreement to complete. No one can see anyone else's information, and you'll be able to track each person's status independently. For very large lists, sending can take a few minutes, so give the system time to process. That's it, your bulk e-signature request is on its way.